Vivo X100 Ultra camera-centric phone just launched before a few days ago. Fast refresh rate, 2K OLED display, outstanding camera setup, flagship processor, fast wired and wireless charging, and many more. Today I am going to show you unboxing and first impression of Vivo X100 Ultra. Hey guys, Maiky from techmaiky. Please consider the subscribing and turning on the notifications by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. Let's start with the unboxing. Here is the Vivo X100 Ultra box. The box design is similar to other Vivo X series boxes. Let's remove the plastic wrapping. The box has some textured patterns on it. At the top left, it mentions the Vivo European Cup 2024, and on the right side of the phone branding, there's also Zeiss branding. Opening the box lid, we first see the Vivo X100 Ultra phone, which feels slightly heavy. As for the box contents, it includes an 80-watt fast charger with a Type-A output. In the box, you also get a white Type-C to Type-A data cable and a protective case. The Vivo X100 Ultra has an impressive camera system with next-level camera sensors. The phone's design is simple and elegant, with a slightly curved front and back. The phone weighs 229 grams and feels quite good in hand. You can't ignore the camera module, as it has a huge camera setup. The luxurious camera module is 5mm thick. Now, let's focus on the camera of the Vivo X100 Ultra. The phone features a main 1-inch gimbal camera. It offers 3 native focal lengths, 14mm, 23mm, and 85mm. Both the main camera and the telephoto camera have large sensor sizes, providing a variety of focal length options. In total, the X100 Ultra supports 11 focal lengths, allowing you to use any focal length you need. The main camera of the phone features the LYT 900 1-inch sensor with gimbal stabilization. It is the world's first mobile camera with GLC coding, allowing it to take clear pictures even at night due to its large sensor size. For example, when using the 45mm focal length, the overall look and feel of the photo are excellent. You can zoom in multiple times and still see clear details in the corners. Even ghost images appear clear with this camera. Now, talking about the telephoto camera, you can see a sample taken at night with the 85mm focal length. The picture is very clear even at night, and the night sky appears pure and deep. The Vivo X100 Ultra features a 200-megapixel HP9 sensor with a large 1.4-inch size. This sensor is typically found in the main cameras of many flagship phones, but here it is used in the telephoto camera, which is impressive. The telephoto camera delivers very clear results at night. Even when you enlarge the photo to 230mm, the picture remains clear with excellent quality. The colors are accurate and eye-catching. If you love portrait photography, the 85mm telephoto camera provides outstanding portrait photos with a natural background blur effect. Vivo's exclusive portrait algorithms ensure natural skin tones, and the hair appears smooth and shiny in the photos. Overall, the light and shadow effects are natural, making portrait photos stunning. You can also capture clear photos of the sun and moon with this telephoto camera. Photos of pets are remarkable, with clear details even at high zoom levels. Additionally, this telephoto camera functions as a macro camera, providing superb macro shots. Future updates to the phone will likely enhance photo optimization even further. During the day, you can see consistent image quality, but at night, the white balance in telephoto samples differs from other camera lenses. The Vivo X100 Ultra also features a humanistic street photography mode, which you can activate by swiping up in the camera interface. This mode includes portrait style and professional settings suited for street photography. For videos, the camera supports recording 4K video at 60 frames per second with Dolby Vision across the full focal length range. During video recording, you can switch between lenses, resulting in natural-looking footage. Additionally, both the main and telephoto cameras can record 4K video at 120 frames per second. The camera settings offer many features, including the ability to customize the default focal length of the main camera. You can double-click the volume button to turn on the humanistic street photography mode, and you can also lock the white balance during video recording. The Vivo X100 Ultra offers next-level camera hardware and software. Besides the impressive camera, the phone has flagship specifications, including a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, 16 GB of RAM, and 1 TB of storage. It also features a 3D VC ice field heat dissipation system, ensuring flagship-level performance. As for the display, the Vivo X100 Ultra has a 6.78-inch Samsung E7 screen with 2K resolution and 1440 Hz PWM dimming. The Vivo X100 Ultra also includes adaptive color temperature, sleep mode, and anti-fatigue mode, focusing more on eye protection. It has an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, which is much better than an optical one. The phone features a universal signal amplification system, ensuring better signal reception in elevators, high-speed trains, mountains, movies, or concerts. In China, it also supports two-way satellite communication. The phone is powered by a 5,500 mAh single-cell battery. The Vivo X100 Ultra supports 80-watt wired charging and 30-watt wireless charging. It also has IP68 and IP69 dust and water resistance ratings. The base variant of the Vivo X100 Ultra starts at 64.99 Chinese yuan, which is approximately £720 in the UK and $915 in the USA. In conclusion, the phone offers a superb camera, especially the outstanding telephoto camera, a superb display, and excellent performance. However, it is slightly heavy. So what you guys think about it? Tell us your thoughts in the comments section below. If you have any questions, also give this video a thumbs up, and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, as me signing off, thanks for watching, have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.